Hello, welcome to Spy Money. It's been a little bit since I made a video. I've been traveling quite a bit, and for all you people out there that know me, know that I love Jeeps and I love to go mudding. And that's I've been doing a lot of that. This October I'm fully booked every single weekend doing that. A lot of different places, different states. I travel with my Jeep. I love to go different places. But let's get back to this. This is something I haven't shared with the public, but I have a new bot that I built, and I'm going to release it tomorrow to our users. And I've been running it, and in 20 minutes I hit my goal of I was looking for $1,600, and I had it the shut off at, I think at $1,500 is where I had it shut off, and it shut off at $1,540. I was doing 5 contracts. And the way this bot works is it knows when to get in. It even gives you the signals here, as you can see. So the orange is the entry, first target, second target, third target, and here's the stop. And the bot goes into it and enters it. You can see these are winners, these are winners. Nothing through here. It never even did it. And then all of a sudden it picked up a winner here. This one right here was a loser. We don't like a loser. But it turned right around and grabbed a winner right there. And then there was a loser, winner, loser, loser, loser. We don't like losers, but it happens. You got to be prepared for that. Then we had a winner, winner, and a winner, and then it shut off for the 1540. So even with those losers, we still come out ahead and did it in 20 minutes. Now, the way the bot is going to be set up, it's really set up, it's going to take longer to do the trades, but you can change a setting and make it trade more frequent. And that's what I wanted to do with this. I didn't have much time to trade. It was actually moving pretty good, and I turned it on and boom, I hit it. If I hadn't had this one loser here, if that would have been a winner, I would have got both trades done in one time, but these losers kind of got me. Now I left this untouched. I never bothered it at all. So there's things it does, like this one right here. We only got the first target and never hit the second or third, but we had a break even and the bot automatically did it. This one's called the Game Changer. The Game Changer, in my opinion, is truly a game changer. And for all of you all that know anything about Jeeps, Game Changer is a lift that you can buy. It's a metal cloak. Game Changer. So kind of get my ideas, a lot of things from the Jeeps and what I do and so forth. But if we go ahead and look forward, we can see right there's another winner, a winner, and right there would have been a winner with a break even, and then right here would have been a winner. This one right here would have actually, that'd been a loser, and then it would have been a winner there. It'd have been a winner here. Keep on going. Right here is a winner. That's a loser. Then we've got a winner, and we've got a winner on that one, and this one right here would have been a winner. Not much, but it would have got it. Now this one's on a lower time frame. I would not let this run all day, by no means. The one that for the default settings, you could let it run all day and take your profits, and you're actually going to have the more volatility, the bigger the stop. So could you run this on a prop account? Absolutely, you could. And you just let it run, set your session P&L that you want to make and what your stop would be, and just whichever one hits first is what you do. So it will work for that. And go through there, as you can see, there was a bunch of no trades in there. Right here was one more trade. This would have actually been a first and second target with a break-even stop right there, so you would have made money. This one right here would have been a loser. Then you had a winner. Then you had a winner. You had a winner. It just keeps on going. There's a lot of winners. Yes, there's going to be some losers in there. Right here's another winner. And this one would have been a loser and then a winner right there. So it's going to happen. This one right here is a winner. Keep right on going. You can see it doesn't trade a lot of this stuff in here, which is good. That would have been a winner. Here's another winner. And right here's another winner, a winner. This would have been a loser. This would have been a winner, 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 chicken dinner. Another winner here. This one would have been a winner. This one would have been a stop out. This would have been a winner. And this would have been a winner. And it just keeps on going. I mean, I can do this all day long. But there's, again, I'm not going to run this time frame on higher volatility and such. And usually, you know, what we're looking for is, you know, try to make about 25%. So 5 contracts would be $2,500 you're trying to make. But my goal was to make $1,500 on this and then just let it shut off. And it did. It shut off completely. I did pause the bot after it shut off just to make sure nothing happened and let it run. So it did a good job today. So how do you get started with this? You go to SpyMoneyLSC.com. You go to the Ninja Suite up here at the top. Now this Friday might be some good news for some people. I won't share that right now, but this Friday might make some changes. We are going to allow some more users coming in, and we've got 2 bots that we run pretty good, the Game Changer, and we've got Coaster Bot. They both work very well. It takes very little effort from me to help people, so that's a good thing. So we're focused on 2 bots that do extremely well, and really it doesn't take a lot of learning curve. I mean, if you know how to use NinjaTrader, it's pretty simple. You just load them, load the template, and that's it. That's all you got to do. If you need to learn how to use NinjaTrader, it's one thing. Now, there's 2 things I've been working on that you all knew about Sierra charts. I've been kind of working on that, but it's very difficult to use. It's not for someone that struggles to learn things. It is hard. So I'm working on this other one, and we're going to go ahead and build the Game Changer bot for it. It's Quantower, and we're making it to where I can set it up, and actually Quantower does a really good job. It's I've been using it all week and a little bit last week. It's not much of a learning curve to it, which is good. It's easier to program, which is good, and it's easier. I think it's going to be easier all around, and the trades. It seems like the CQG data is faster than what it is on NinjaTrader. You know, when I run them side by side, it seems to be better. So there's some things coming out. The Quantower, if we once we get all that together, it's going to take a few weeks or so in order to get all that, maybe even a month. But we're working on that. Sierra charts, I still have on the back burner a little bit. It's just very difficult to get things to work the way we want. So it makes it a little harder. Quantower is going to be much easier, and they have a trade copier as well, and some of the people I've talked to that use it say that the copier is very good, and there's no mess ups. With NinjaTrader, there's something going on, and you know, the prop firms say it's not them, and that it's the something else, but they won't pinpoint it, and I think it's the API on NinjaTrader. I'm not sure. Can't get a straight answer from anybody, to be honest. But when you come down here, there's a couple things you need to do. One is you need to agree to these 14 items. If you don't agree to these 14 items, then don't do it, because this is a binding contract. So what you want to do is left click and highlight all the way from I agree down to I agree. And once you do that, you right click, you click copy, and you go up to the top, go to contact us, and you're going to paste this into a contact to me. So you're going to paste it right here, and you're going to put your first name, last name, email, and phone number. If you don't have this information, you won't get a link to join. It's just that simple. You have to have all the information in order to get a link to join. If without it, I won't send it to you. This is a binding contract, and it's, you know, a lot of people say, well, I didn't know that. Well, this right here makes it that you knew it. And I don't want people to join and then later say that, you know, they didn't understand that or whatever. I just don't want that. I want people that join to know exactly what they're getting into. One of them is that the bot is not a set it and let it run bot. So you're not going to turn it on and go to work and make all kinds of money when you get home. It's just not the way it works. We do not run bots all the time. There's certain times that we run it, and not times as in time of the day, but it's when the market is moving in the consistency in order for it to make money. So there's a few rules that you got to do. So there is no back testing with these bots. You can't do it because we don't run bots from 9:30 to 11 every day, which is just not what we do. You can't run any bot that way because bots don't know that it's going to be, you know, good or bad or whichever. So we don't do it that way. There's some videos you can watch, and you come down here. There's the bots. The one that most people are going to probably use is the Game Changer and the Coaster. Those are the two that will be used a lot. We have other bots, but no one uses them. The consistency of them is not as good as Coaster and Game Changer. We have a lot of different indicators and so forth, drawing tools, add-ons. We no longer have the copier. The copier just caused more trouble than anything. We recommend Flowbot's Replicanto. That's the one we recommend, and they seem to do a pretty good job with it. A lot of different questions and answers. Read through these. If you have any questions that aren't answered here, feel free to send me an email off of the contact page up here at the top. So click on that, send it to me. I'll do my best to answer it in a timely manner. I'm usually when I get an email, it's answered within an hour usually, unless I'm sleeping, of course. But we do offer VPS. We are affiliate with another company that does this. One we recommend is the 8 RAM. If you're not going to run anything else but maybe one bot, that's all you need. If you're going to run a lot of different bots, you need more RAM. So that will be up to you. There are 4 funded accounts that we recommend. It's really up to you. Click on these links right here and it will take you to them. You know, they all have their good and their bad. So just kind of pick your poison. It seems like that we've had more luck with the BluSky than any of them right now. It seems like it actually does a better job. UProfit does a good job too, though. So they all do pretty good. And down here some discount codes and so forth that you can use to get a better deal. But if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. Again, this is the bot. This is Game Changer, and it's $1,540 today. It was in about 20 minutes. It done a very good job. And you know, when I turned it on, the system was working pretty good as far as the moves and everything. So if we go back and look again, we can see right here that we had some good up and down originally right here. I mean, it was actually hitting pretty good, and then we got a little chop there. And it weeded itself out, come back out, and hit a home run and made the money. Actually, it was right here. Yeah, made the money right here and closed it out there. You can see there a closed max session or max P&L session. So, having questions, let me know. I'd love to get you started. We're going to have some exciting news come Friday. It's going to help a lot of people, and we're going to let the lease open a little bit longer because we have condensed everything down to make it easier, and it takes less stress off of me. So as long as I'm not overwhelmed with a lot of people and a lot of questions all the time, then I will leave it open. So have any questions, let me know. Be happy to get you started.